Welcome to Grewal tutorial. Today's topic is Don't Judge Other, a short story for assembly. A 23-year-old boy sing out from train's window shouted, "Dad, look, the tree are going behind." Dad smiled and people sitting nearby looked at the boy 23-year-old's childish behavior with pity. Suddenly the boy again exclaimed, "Dad, look, the clouds are running with us." The people could not resist and said to the old man, "Why don't you take your son to the doctor?" The old man smiled and said, "I did, and we are just coming from the hospital. My son was blind from the birth. He just got his eyes today." So every person on the planet has a story. Moral of the story is don't judge people before you truly know them. The truth might surprise you. Thank you.